Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Xfinity TV box not connecting, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and activation fix. First, check that all physical cables are secure and power cycle both your gateway router and the TV box. Ensure the Ethernet cable is functioning properly or bring the wireless TV box closer to the router. Activate or refresh the box using the Xfinity app or trigger a remote reset via your account portal. Fix 1. Ethernet connection fix. Check ports. Verify that the Ethernet cable is securely clipped into the gateway and the TV box. Try switching to a different port on the gateway. Next is to inspect the cables. Ensure you are using a working Cat 5e or Cat 6 cable. Replace the cable if the status light remains amber. Next, toggle settings. Navigate to settings, then go to network settings. Using your remote to force the device to choose the wired connection over Wi-Fi. Fix to Wi-Fi connection fix. Clear line. Remove obstacles or electronics blocking the signal path between the gateway and your box. Reboot router. Unplug the power cable from the Xfinity gateway for 60 seconds, then plug it back in and wait 10 minutes for it to come online. Band steering. If using a wireless box like the XI6, verify your phone connects to the home Wi-Fi. If it fails, disable the 5 GHz band temporarily. Wire the Xfinity admin tool to force connection on a 2.4 GHz. Connect. Ensure your computer or smartphone is connected to your home network. Next is to access admin portal. Open a web browser, type http colon slash slash 10.0.0.1 into the address bar and press enter. Now log in. Enter the portal credentials, username, admin, password, or check the physical sticker on the bottom of your gateway. Navigate to Wi-Fi. Go to gateway, then go to connection, then go to Wi-Fi in the left sidebar. Disable 5 GHz. Now under the private Wi-Fi network section, click edit next to 5 GHz frequency band row. And select disable, then click on save settings. Once completed, connect your TV box or device over the remaining active 2.4 GHz network signal. Remember to follow these same steps to re-enable your 5 GHz band afterward for optimal performance on your other devices. Fix 3. Activation fix. Download the official app on a mobile device and log in using your Xfinity ID. Follow the prompts to set up new equipment and scan the QR code on the bottom of the hardware. Now use the Xfinity account support page to verify your billing is correct and there are no regional service outages. And if the box hangs on the activation screen, log into the Xfinity support portal to trigger a remote system refresh. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.